Greetings from the HVAC Service San Diego, CA. Its straight shooter heating and cooling's wide service portfolio is designed to help you maintain and optimize your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. These services ensure that your systems maintain the essential level of comfort and efficiency throughout the year. HVAC systems age, making them more prone to failure and less efficient. To keep your home or company comfortable in San Diego's sweltering heat, HVAC technicians must be in charge of maintaining air conditioning systems. What types of HVAC systems do you work with? Straight shooter heating and cooling works with a wide variety of HVAC systems to fulfill the different demands of our customers. We specialize in the installation, repair, and maintenance of central air conditioning systems, which provide efficient cooling for entire households. How can I reduce my energy bills with my HVAC system? Regular maintenance is critical. Schedule regular tune-ups for your HVAC system to ensure it runs smoothly, minimizing the likelihood of costly problems and lowering energy use. Why should I choose your company for HVAC services in San Diego? Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling provides high-quality HVAC services in San Diego. Our organization is founded on the principles of honesty, dependability, and client satisfaction. Where is the Straight Shooter Heating and Cooling located? We are located at 930 West Washington Street, Suite 157, San Diego, CA 92103, United States. Our phone number is 619-304-2863. Visit our website, www.bestsandiegohvac.com/Mission Hills AC Installation Repair.